Hello everyone, welcome to Maharashtra Shikshan Sanstha PS Bane International School. Today I am going to discuss the importance of value education. What is value education? Value education is the process by which people give moral values to each other. Explicit values education is associated with those different pedagogies, methods, or programs that teachers or educators use in order to create learning experiences for students when it comes to value questions. Value education means inculcating in the children a sense of humanism, a deep concern for the well-being of others and nation. Values which are found from within are compassion, empathy, kindness, love, mercy, sympathy. Compassion motivates people to go out of their way to help the physical, mental, or emotional pains of another and themselves. Empathy is the action of understanding, being aware of. It refers to the ability to relate to another person's pain to oneself. Kindness is the quality of being friendly, generous, and considerate. Love is an intense feeling of deep affection. Mercy means forgiveness. Sympathy means understanding between people. Values helps to institute. Now, a person, whether he is a student or whether he is doing a job in an office or an organization, or whether he is or she is working at home, the following are the values which helps that organization. The first one is punctuality. If a person or a student is punctual, he will do his work on time. Next is discipline. If a child is disciplined, then he obeys certain rules which he has to follow. Responsibility. If a person is aware of his duty, then he has to complete his duty. Conduct and good temper also helps the institute. Good character also helps that organization. Values helps to erase negativity and make a person to feel positive and make him go through positivity in his life. Values help to develop critical thinking, which in turn helps the organization. And all these values together makes the person concerned for the well-being of others also and for the nation also. The 7 important social skills the kids must follow or should know and which he learns throughout his life are sharing. That is sharing things with each other, cooperating with each other, whether he is at school or home, listening to elders, listening to his friends, and by listening carefully he also learns. Following directions. By following direction, he obeys that particular person. Like, for example, a student follows the direction of teacher, then his brain is thinking, his eyes are looking at teacher or looking at that task, his ears are listening, and the body of the child is also calm or quiet. Next social skill is respecting personal space. Having a good personal space make a person feel comfortable and safe in his life. Making good eye contact is a social skill to make connections within each other in society, home, or even in school. Using manners means child or a person should have certain good manners. For example, like he should be neat and clean, he should be good listener, he should be careful with others and careful for his own things also, and being a good friend are certain manners which help to develop his social skills. Why to study value education? First of all, a school is a place where children learn many things like knowledge, different beliefs, attitudes, and values. An education without values is incomplete and meaningless, because an educated person should know what it means to be a part of society and should be prepared to be an active citizen of a democratic country. Value education helps the children to modify with the changing situations in social, moral, and democratic duties to perform efficiently. It helps to develop him physically and emotionally. It instills in him or her the spirit of patriotism and national integration towards his own country. Like he has a love for his country, develops religious tolerance and understand different religious faith. Means he knows about the unity and diversity to shape their future and tackle difficult situation with ease. Value education helps in problem solving skills also. Value education inculcate good manners for responsible and cooperative citizenship. Value education helps to develop respect and dignity of individual and society. It helps to develop sense of brotherhood at social, national, and international levels. Values help us to behave consistently. Why to study value education? Value education must be a part of education system. Value education cannot be imparted as a separate domain of education. Education is in its entirety has to be value education. This concept helps us to understand that education and value education are not separate and should not be separated. Education should be taught in a manner that children acquire self reasoning and rationality. We should make children think deeply and identify the reasons behind their thoughts and actions. The word education itself has value. When you are educating a child, it means that you are teaching him or her some values. Without having or following values, we cannot call a person an uneducated person. At the same time, if a person follows a good value but does not have any educational qualification, we can call him or her a socially educated person. Here, education does not make any sense. You yourself make it valuable. Value education helps to encourage critical and reflective thinking, rational choice, and responsible behavior. Values are related to life, so values are said to be like rails that keep the train on move quick and in a direction. Value education helps to learn about self and wisdom and of life. Values bring quality to life. Now, the values are caught rather than taught. See, values are imbibed from the environment. Parents, teachers, peers play an important role in imbibing these values. If values are taught at right time through various activities, it will bring a great positive change in that student's life. Here I have shown a value education tree where all the values are the parts of that tree, like loyalty, efficiency, cooperation, integrity, sincerity, care. The importance of values tells us that values are the guidelines. It guides us what to do and what not to do. Value develops a person's identity and character. Value also bring character, quality and meaning to the life and making realize that what we are is more important than what we have. It is not important that what we have. It is more important that what we are, means how we are. Impact of value education. Now we will see what are the changes which take place. It develops a healthy and balanced personality, create a good citizenship. It helps adjustment with the environment. It helps to development of the character. It helps in national integration and national development, and it helps in the promotion of social efficiency. Now, how do we include values in a student? Values are included by self introduction, by prayer, by the method of meditation, by doing yoga, by storytelling, like suppose we tell them the story or tell them to read some stories, then they listen or read it and they behave in that way. Moral value classes, then we can include some games, even through dance, drama, debates, we can teach values or develop values in the child. Visit to the orphanage, old age home, blind school, etc. Or through community services, we can include values. What is the purpose of the values? Values help a person to decide whether the preferences or the events are good or bad, right or wrong, or whether it is important or insignificant. Values, basic determiners of perceptions, opinions, and attitudes. Using values will always mean going through certain processes. Means the person is always motivated, selective, and always appraisal. Means whether he is rewarded or whether he is punished. Values have also a social function to unite families, society, and nation. The traditional Indian values, which we already know, are truth, goodness, spirituality, simplicity, tolerance, brotherhood, righteous conduct, non-violence, love, world peace, human right, and universal. The importance of values is that it develops respect, responsibility, honesty, and caring values. These are the main core values. Respect, honesty are important and core values of healthy relationship. In healthy relationships, people talk honestly, listen well, and trust and respect each other. Responsibility comes with time, age, and depends on your environment. Taking responsibilities in life is necessary for self-development and experiences. Care is giving serious attention to do something correctly or to avoid damage or risk. At times we say care is a legal responsibility. We appreciate that some individuals have responsibility to care for parents, siblings, and other relatives who are unwell, disabled, or in difficult situations. Here, a tree is shown, and according to Williams Wordsworth, as a twig is bent, so the tree will grow. It is related to our life. Thank you.